Hi, ancient dragons. I'm Bow. Promise I'm friendly and very squeaky. Boop. Sorry if that was your nap song. I'm a polite booper. Dust, dust, trust. There you go, shiny, scaly friend. Hello, floaty friends. Wiggle if you're happy to see me. Left, right, hop and light. Thank you, dragon feet, for the perfect steps. Sip, sip for you, tiny flower. Grow tall and say hello to the sky. Okay, I'll be super duper soft, like a sleepy dragon's sigh. Shh. There you go, little pebble. Teamwork makes the twinkle work. Hello, Elder Glow. Do you need a careful helper? Yes, little friend. My bell remembers stories when it shines. We can fix your ding-dong ping-song, little bell. Easy and gentle. Your kindness is the glue, small friend. Toolkit time. Gentle glue and a cuddly ribbon coming to the rescue.
Lullaby level, squishy. 10 out of 10 cuddles.
Come back, little wishy-whirlies. I'll keep your secrets safe and snuggly. Knots of kindness, find your branches, little wishes, and glow happy again. Heartbeat time, boom, tap, boop. Thank you for the music, Mossy friend. I see a dragon donut with twinkly sprinkles. If it giggles, it's probably my cousin. Giggle Grove, here I come. Lefty whisker click, righty whisker clack. Thank you for opening, kind gate. Thank you, kind gate. Hello, quiet clearing. I'll be gentle and tidy. Hello, names. Thank you for your stories. I'll help keep everything cozy and clean. Papa Bloom, little buddies. You sound like Giggle popcorn. Thank you for blooming. It's okay, little glow bean. Would you like a gentle trunk high five? We'll practice. Fizzle today, sizzle tomorrow. Peep, peep. Riddle time. What flies without wings? Let me think. A wind. Zoomy boom with invisible room. Thank you for the clue. Shiny pebble of remembery. I'll carry you carefully like a cuddly moon. I found it. Glow Pebble safe and snuggly. Is there a special place to put it?
Yes, little friend. Follow the...
There you go, glowy potato. Pebble. Rest cozy and shin bright. You flew over oceans. Wow. I splash in puddles. That counts, right?
Ear broom zoom, clean and serene, little petals.
Smooth and strong, like a gentle dragon hug. There you go, cozy corner. A gift? I'll wear it with, wow, thank you, gentle friends. La la la. Oops. Sorry, little notes. I'm still on training wheels. Leafbrella activate, drip, drop, hip hop. Keep the glow cozy. Click, clack, care attack. All tidy tracked. Thank you, map. Pillow plumpage. Maximum snuggle. Rest cozy. Little nook. Bow low. Speak slow. Love grows. Sizzle success. Zaptastic teamwork. Kindness and snacks, but mostly kindness. You're a sky noodle of memories, so sparkly and beautiful. A promise print. I'll always be gentle here. Good night, lantern friends. Blink once if you feel cozy. Thank you for keeping me dry, Leaf. Sleep tight on your branch. Good night, circle complete. Sleep snug, shiny friends.
Once upon a snooze, a dragon butterfly learned to flutter good nights. Flap, nap, happy nap.
Cozy circle engaged, sweet dreams, shiny pebble. Cuddle loop engaged, yawn o'clock. I feel safe and snuggly. Thank you for the moon sparkle. I'll visit again and be extra gentle, promise. Good night, dreaming dragons. I'll come back with extra gentle giggles.